Your second secret weapon are your Post-it notes. Let me show you how to use those. Take a look here. If I ask you to frame, listen up guys, if I ask you to frame this inscribed angle with your Post-it notes, put a dot just at the vertex. That's the first thing. Now I would like you to take your Post-its and you're going to put them at either side of the arm. So your Post-it notes go right at the vertex, and this is called framing the angle. Put your Post-its down. When I say frame the angle, you frame it at the appropriate vertex. I have two of you. You're not doing this. I need you to do this now. It helps your brain see stuff and filter. Okay, when I say frame, that's what I mean. You frame at the vertex. Now I'm going to do a couple problems with you. Now this looks super complicated. This particular problem looks super complicated, but if you use the Post-its to filter, it really helps. Step number one, I'm going to show you, we're going to frame angle LNP. Ready? Put your pencil on L. Pencil on L. We have to follow that order. Go to N as in Nancy. Go to P as in Paul. You sweep the elbow of the angle, which is back at N. Notice it's the middle letter. I like you to darken the vertex. And now I want to see you frame it. That means put your Post-its on your paper like so. Okay? Frame it up. Okay. Answer my blank. LNP. Is that central or inscribed? Out loud. Okay. The inscribed angle is how much the arc? Half. Okay, so I'd like you to sweep the arc it's grabbing, which if you follow the hands out, follow the Post-its out, you'll see it. So I want you right now, find me that angle. Do not say it out loud. And don't use a calculator. Do not say it out loud. Do not use a calculator. All right, Nicole, what'd you get? 46. 46 is correct. How many of you got 46? Okay, now pick up your Post-its. All right, ready? I want you to try this one on your own. All I want you to do is I'd like you to frame PLN with your Post-its. Don't find anything. I just want to see if you frame that correctly. Frame P, put your pencil on P. Go to L, stop at N, sweep the elbow, and frame it, please. Darken the vertex and frame it. I will show you the answer in about 20 seconds, but I want to see if you can't frame this yourself correctly. This skill of framing will help you a lot. Okay? P-L-N. Frame it. Okay, ready? Look up here, guys. Ready? How many of you framed that correctly? Okay. Now what I want you to do is sweep the angle, please. Sweep the angle. We have 68. I want you to find that arc. Go. Do not say it out loud. Let people think and do their own work. Do not. I want you to find the arc P to N. If you know the angle, I'd like you to find the arc. Patrick, what'd you get? 136. How many of you got that correct? Raise your hand. Excellent. Okay. Remove the Post-its. Okay. Now from here, I want you, notice this is a diameter right here. Do you see that's the center? I'd like you to trace and stretch. Whenever you have a diameter, I'd like you to trace and stretch it out. And now I'd like you to sweep one way and then sweep the other. From the diameter, always sweep. Now what I'd like you to do, you don't need to frame anything. I want you to find the green arc and the orange arc. Do that by yourself, and then when you're done, check your work with a neighbor. Find the green arc and the orange arc. Go. You don't need to frame for this. You are not framing. Yes? Nope. I mean, I'm not going to tell you. All I want is the arc section. All righty, guys. Ready? Okay, Karini, give me the green, please. What'd you get?
I don't know.
Okay. Nidu, what'd you get?
The green?
Yes, sir.
I got 136.
No, the green, sir. Okay, check your work. Yes, Vanessa, what'd you get? 88. Tell us how you got it.
I got the 72, or I got 180 minus 90.
Yes, that's how we did that. Okay, Rachel, what'd you get for the orange? Paul, what'd you get for the orange? Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys, don't overlook the obvious. The diameter splits a circle in half. Okay, now what I'd like you to do, after you find all the arcs, now I'd like you to frame up this angle, MNP. 180 minus 136. Frame up the angle MNP. I'm going to freeze it and frame it. Let me see if you get it in the right place. Frame up that angle, MNP. Okay? Frame up that angle, MNP. All right, guys. Take a look up here. You should have your Post-its like so. All right, what I want you to do now is the hands reach out and grab. I'd like you to note, we start here is where it ends, right? You go to here, sweep, physically sweep. How many degrees is that? 180. So this is an inscribed angle. What's back here? 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, it reaches out and grabs. All righty, guys. I want you to do the last two on your own. I'd like you to frame the purple angle and frame this last one. Find those last two ones on your own. Okay, I'll give you the answers in just about a minute. I'd like you to find the purple one, MPN, and the red one, LNM. Frame it, find it, go. They're right there. They're on your paper, dear. They're on your paper.
Oh, I see.
They're on your paper.